Raja Hambai ini seperti pasal IPT juga pada government di Parlimen government saya. Hai pun ini saya seperti sebagai salah satu dari tabu antolik gol di bulan Masa এবং IPT Joint Government Committee for Different State Food. Omong bagai ini 27 November 2002 kini sakau song Delhi mengenai bahasa song kini plan aku song apa para kerja boleh bagai song kamu seperti division ni orang song kini bahasa song dijuling bagi kita kini harus kerja jadi sini eleven time time sakau songnya saya pun song itu advance ni song kini kalau dijuling bagi kita nak buat ini ada song Nekali nambo, boleh bagai kita
Nok ebak ke Delhi je jantra mantra thangna bagai koita bugiro khlai kana reserve
totally combine the corona bagi ini kanabo ang details apa clear ya hapulo corona আর দুই সতরটা মানে কথাতে
নং নিজে IPFT ni hinai koijana মানে মান খাবরক আদং রক IPFT না রক
IPFT ni তরফ থেকে 33টা ডিভিশন বিসিঙ্গো টোটালি তাবো ধরো 500 টাকা এটলি 200 নিসিনি টার্গেট দङ তাবো 170 আপ থাকनो दङ आसा खायो 200 जों कभार खालामनाय बसुन दङ निसिनि टार्गेट 200
खोनामानि ताबो त्रिपुरामा थारावबो थांनाय कक खोनावो माने नोंनि डिमान्ड सानाय ना त्रिपुरामा थाराव बायबाक्सना डिमान्ड सालायनाय एकै डिमान्ड कक नावति सालायना
त्रिपुरामा थाराव जों जेहेतु जोंनि थांनाय दङ बरफ एकै बिसो आर्टिकल 2 এবং 3 धारा अबनन बेस खैनो आरो सालायनाय नावना एकटाइ नंनाय आजाबो जों प्रिफारलेन्ड অবলিক সেক্রেটারি প্রিপারলেন অবনি বেশ দিন সংসদীয় 30 তারিখ নভেম্বর এবং 1 তারিখ ডিসেম্বর জোড়া দুদিন আরো সং আন্দোলন
to our people. It is our long demand, long waiting aspiration that today jointly two party IPFT and the Matha are going to launch joint movement in Delhi. We have already talked about the program. And as you know, IPFT party have struggled since 2009. Every year we go for demonstration in Delhi, especially this season, winter season. And this year it is a very, we are very lucky and we are very fortunate that large number, more than 1,000 people, boys and girls, are going to participate in our movement in Delhi. Our one main agenda is Tipraland, statehood demand is our main agenda, and also we know that the parliament session is going on. It is just to focus our attention to the people of India, the people of the country, that people are suffering for long time. The last 70 years we are suffering. We are deprived of our genuine demand. We are deprived of our right. We have lost our social justice. Therefore, it is in this very moment I want to praise and thanks to our Maharaja Brother Kishore for his initiative, for his dream that we want together to fight our movement, to fight our demand. Therefore, his initiative, his dream is going to be successful, and this is the first time in the history of Tripura that more than 1,000 numbers are going to Delhi for the movement. And I believe the people of India and the leader of the India people, Delhi people will understand what is our grievances what is our demand, and it is our long time demand since 2009 that we want statehood within the state. Article 2 and 3, which is a genuine demand, constitutional demand. Therefore, this year we are really grateful to our Maharaja that he is taking initiative to go large number and just to focus our demand. And I believe this is the beginning. It is a good beginning that our boys and girls are very happy, and our leaders are very happy that this is the first time in the history of Tripura that we can go jointly. That in near future